Hi everyone. Here is your assignment for today. First of all, you need to make sure you have your textbook notes finished. Most of you are already there. The next thing you do, remember, is the reading comprehension check on Google Classroom. If you don't have your iPad, you'll have to skip that for today. I still didn't make any copies of it. I forgot that before I left school. Sorry about that. So, when you're finished with that though, make sure you get all the questions correct. Go back and correct it until you have all green check marks. And then you're doing the graphic organizer. There are extra copies of that in the bins by the door. If you need one, get one, or the substitute has some copies of it as well. Remember, you must cite your sources as you go through and do the graphic organizer. Which websites are you using? Or which videos are you watching? What sources are you using? We talked about good search terms in class yesterday. You're welcome to still use the internet and search, but there are also videos for each of you posted on your assignment. I added a video and article. I think everybody has at least 3 things that got added. Sometimes it's 2 videos and 1 article. Sometimes it's more than 3 things. Sometimes it's 2 articles and 1 video. So, depends on what you are. It depends on which topic you're studying, which articles and videos you have. Your goal, though, is not to watch all the videos and call yourself done. The goal is to find the information you need to complete both sides of the graphic organizer. You got to get it done today, so stay on task. If you get it all finished, then you can go over to Edpuzzle website or app, and there are all of these videos that you have access to all of them, even if they're not assigned to you in Google Classroom. So start with the one that you chose as your topic, get that information done, and then if you have your graphic organizer all finished, you can come here and watch these videos and find out more about other parts of the social reform movements. If you would rather get started on the social reform project, then you can use one of these tools. You can use Canva, Adobe Express, Adobe Pages, and Spark Video are all available on Manager. And you can also do a 1-pager or an essay on the digital platform of your choice, but you must be able to share it digitally. I'm not accepting paper unless a few of you I know don't have iPads. I'll accept paper from you. The target is to recognize and evaluate the impact of 19th century religious and social movements on American society. So how did the social movements of the early 1800s change American society? We're looking at the changes. So your project must include 2 or more problems and changes in American society that happened because of the movement that you studied. Explain both what it was like before and after. And you also need to talk about 2 or more people and what they did to make those changes. Remember, I really want you to understand, how do we make changes to make society better? And then you should also try to include a connection to society today. There's some pretty easy connections to make with a lot of your topics. Go ahead and go for those. If you want to see these project requirements or these instructions, the list of apps, they are on the sub lesson plan that's there on the ClearTouch. Email me if you have questions or problems, and I hope you have a great day and a good weekend. See you on Monday.